Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I have another Laura's Quick Tips to share with you today, and this one is super quick and simple because all you have to do is pick your favorite circle punch. This could be a circle punch, but it could also be a layering circles framelit or even one of the other fabulous shapes. But the tip is to have fun with your designer series paper. Many times I tend to cut the paper and use it as a full background piece, but you can actually cut out these images if you wish. You can always fussy cut out the images to get a super fun look, but if you're not a huge fussy cutter, just take one of your favorite punches or framelits and punch it out or die cut it out, and then you can have that fabulous image to layer onto your project. Here I just punched out those two little birdies and added it to this gorgeous card. Isn't that super fabulous? And this is the 2 1/4 inch punch, and actually many of these images can be punched out, like these little yellow birdies. Look how fabulous that is. There's also these two little gray birds. You could do a lovebirds sort of card. Like, there's so many fabulous little images that you can die cut or punch from this paper. There's another fabulous one. So definitely get out your punches, get out your die cuts, and have fun with the designer series paper, punching out and enjoying it so much more. You could easily take one of your labels and go halfway in to get even those birdies on the edges and just add it to the edge of your project. It would be super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fabulous little quick tip today of getting out your punches and your framelits to be able to die cut your paper into fun little things for a project. Like, look how fabulous that card is. I will be posting all the details of this card on LaurasStampPad.com, so you can check that out, as well as lots of other great Laura's Quick Tips. So be sure to check those out in the link below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!